I'm going to show you how easy it is, moms. I have a little baby sleeping on me right now to add your courses onto Classful. So, since my classes are already done, it's so easy to just come in here and copy and paste away. You're going to click create, and I have a lot of courses to get through. But I'm going to add this one today. It's called I Can Read Digraphs and Blends. So I'll just come through and copy and paste all of my stuff. If you're having a hard time coming up with a class description and you feel up to it, I would definitely recommend ChatGPT or some kind of AI software. I know some people don't like to use it. However, it does make things a lot faster. And if you want to come up with something funny or engaging, or if you want to attract a specific audience, you can tailor it any way you want and it'll just come up with something like that. Here we go, our introductory video. I just copy and paste in my description. Now I'll find my read video. We don't have any promo videos. They are extremely helpful and useful. Take a few minutes. If you have Canva, oh man, it's awesome. Just you can take clips from your course. You can make a quick little intro video like, hi, I'm teacher so-and-so. This is what we'll be learning in class. But I usually just take clips from the videos I already made and just kind of string them together so that people can see what my classroom will be like, what it's going to be like in the classroom with me. Upload my image, read. We'll do this one. So all of these are already done. They're already made because I have them posted on several other places already. So this is just another way to add more selling potential to the classes that we already made. We already have, so why not? And Classful also has a really great percentage. So check out their site. It's totally free to upload. Then I'm going to find my subject. I'm going to click browse and I'm going to click academics and teaching, and I'm going to choose English language and literature because it is a reading class and we do some spelling and things like that. That's just a general listing. So it's not like super specific. Okay, language is going to be English. Grade level. This I'm not going to put anything. It's not a specific type of curriculum. Okay, younger child. Add lesson 2 is the CH digraph. Bam, see how fast and easy this is? Especially when all your stuff is done already. Let's just get it done. Let's make more money. Let's sell them all over the place. Uploading, next lesson. Most of mine have 4 lessons. This one I think has 5. Okay, this one's R or. Next lesson. And so I can just keep on going and they're all uploading. I could just finish up with whatever else I'm doing. You can copy and paste, then you can do this. This one I do have, so like lesson 4, I do have a little bonus lesson that goes along with it. But I'm just going to add it as lesson 5 instead. So I will just copy and paste, and they can do this at their own pace. So they could just go ahead and do it right with lesson 4. They don't have to wait until a certain time frame or anything like that. This one is not allowing me to have that long of a title. Okay, so that's something interesting. Okay, so I'll just back this up. We'll talk about the in bath and the in there. There. All right, so that fits. And bath and in there. Difference between there, and there. Here we go. Upload video, bonus video. Very last one. And I'm trying to be quiet. She's doing good. She was awake a second ago, coloring all over everything and coloring all over me. There we go. All right, so a lot of these are already done. See, most of them are already done. There's just one more that's uploading. And I'm going to put my price, 25. Your pricing may be different. I think mine are the same across the board, but I might have some that are more on Outschool. I can't remember. So whatever your price is, a sale price. I don't have a sale price right now. What about if we make it 30 and then we set a sale price for 20% off? These are the resources that you're going to add to your class right here. So if you have PDFs or other printables, go ahead and add them here, which I do believe I have some. I'll have to look. All right, your expertise. I always just say the same thing. Interesting. There's an FAQ. So that could be really interesting. Like, are there live classes? No. Do you have the option to have a live class? Maybe. What if they really love you and you want to upsell them to a live class on your own platform? You could write that. You could say, answer, email me with your email address. Experienced teacher since 2017 and homeschooling mom of 5. My question and answer is, are there any opportunities for live classes? Yes, email me. Instantaneously. Share a link to your class and it'll create a meta description. It could create a Facebook post for you and your keywords, everything for you within seconds. So one of the only downsides to Classful is, as of now, and I did talk to the founder about this, so it might even be updated, but they are working on adding this feature. But as of now, on November 15th, 2025, they don't have a way to upload links. So what I've decided to try to do right here where it says you can upload your resources, I'm going to upload a worksheet that has all of my classroom links on it. And so they can have access to those. I do have a lot of links, mainly because I'll have a video lesson that will have a quiz, an online like game style quiz for them to take afterwards. So I'm just going to go ahead and type out something on Google Docs really quick with all the links embedded that I can upload as a PDF or like a worksheet. And I'll try that out and see if that works. Okay, I'm finally done copying and pasting my entire worksheet, and I think it's going to work awesome. So here is what I made. I made it on a plain Word document and I saved it as a PDF where all of my links will still work. So if you click on any one of these, it'll pull up the game or the quiz that goes with it. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this as my additional resource. Kabam. And I believe, let me just double check, but I think I'm done. All right, so let's save it and publish it. Go ahead and click that and save. So another class added to my list. I have a lot of classes. So as I have time, I'm just going to upload classes. So that was easy and fast, and I still have a sleeping baby on me. I hope this inspires you to also upload at least one of your classes to Classful today. So it only took about 10 minutes to upload one class, and that class ended up with 6 lessons in it total and a worksheet where I uploaded all my class links. So not bad if I'm going to go ahead and sell more of the same class that I already made years ago. I made this class like 3-4 years ago, and I'm still selling it over and over again. You can do this and shoot me a message if you do this. I'll be so proud of you and so happy. Let's hold each other accountable and encourage each other and build each other up, because I know we're all very busy and we put things off, but don't put it off. You got this.